Good morning to a brand new day. Time to learn and games to play. Learning things is so much fun. Learning is good for everyone. Yes, move all that. Move that snow as much. Oh, gotta go, bye. Hey, welcome back to Camp Discovery. I'm Mr. Dawson, and I'm here at the ranch to take you on some discoveries so we can learn how to read and write. Join me here each day so we can learn new things. In fact, let's do that right now. Let's learn our letters and sounds. Are you ready? Go. D, dolphin, D. L, lemon, ol. B, bat, B. T, turtle, T. I, insect, I. O, octopus, ah. N, nest, n. Camel, k. Oh, C, camel, k. I made a mistake. That's okay. H, hippo, h. F, fire, f. R, rose, P, piano, p. E, egg, eh. D, dolphin, duh. And yesterday we started talking about the letter K. Do you remember the K? The uppercase K and the lowercase k. And our picture is a koala, and it reminds us that K says k. K, koala, k. K is for K. Now, I have some pictures over here, and we want to find out which pictures have the K sound at the very beginning. So I better get my trusty dusty pen out. Wonder what color it will be. Blue, yes. Okay, do you see how they did it? Key has K is for K, so they put the K right there. Let's take a look at this picture. What is this picture? Right, it's a kite, a kite. What is the beginning sound in kite? K, K. So what would I write there? Right, K is for K. Here we go, and I'm going to do a lowercase k. All right, let's do this next row. Are you ready? What is this? This is a penguin. What's the very first sound in penguin? P, p, penguin. No, that has P is for P, so we wouldn't write K there. Let's take a look at the next one. King. King, what's the first sound in king? K, k. Now that one has that K sound. So I'm going to put a lowercase k. Here we go. Nice. Nice. Here's one right here. Boat. 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 Oh, you know what? I'm thinking about this, and I don't do these too much, but I think that's a kayak. I want to say it's a kayak, and I do hear the k sound at the very beginning. Ooh, I thought it was a boat, but it's not. It's a kayak. So that is a k is for K. And what is this? Oh, look, it's up there. It's in our picture word, koala. K, k, koala, that's definitely lowercase k. Let's take a look at our last set of pictures. I have a lamp and a kangaroo. Lamp. Would we do lamp? Oh, no, that's O is for L, not that one. How about kangaroo though? Do you hear the very beginning sound? K, 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 k is for K. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a lowercase k because k is for K. Do you see how that worked, boys and girls? When we see a word that has k at the very beginning, what we're going to do is say, what letter would I put for k? And in this case, it would be k is for K. Nice work. What time is it? Oh, I know. It's time for Daily Phonemic Awareness. We've been talking about rhyming words. Remember, rhyming words are words that have the sounds at the back the same. Let me see. Oh, I know. Sock and dock. Let's do that one. Sock, dock, they both say ock. Right. We're finding words that have the back sounds that are the same. Let's take a look at our paper today. I have 3 pictures right here. I have dog, cat, and log. Can you find the 2 pictures that have the back sounds the same? Because they rhyme. Right. Whoa, you remembered from yesterday. Yes, dog and log. Dog, log, they both say og. Let's look at the next set of pictures. I have key, hat, and cat. Which 2 pictures have the sounds at the back that are the same that make them rhyming words? What? Yes, hat and cat. What are the back sounds? At, right. Hat, cat, they both say at. Nice. I think we can do one more. Let's do one more. I have 4, I have ball, and I have door. 4, ball, door. Which 2 rhyme? Right. 4 and door. 4, door, they both say or. So I'll circle those 2. There we go. We better stop there because I don't want to run out of time, boys and girls. I'm having so much fun here at the ranch, and I want to make sure I can get everything in. So let's take a look at our sight words. Do you remember our sight words yesterday? Yes. Let's walk right over here, and we can find them right here. It's the word she. Can you say she? Now spell she. S-H-E spells she. Very nice. And look at this one. Do you remember this one? Is. Right. Spell is. I-S spells is. Good job, boys and girls. Now, I would like to talk to you about some nouns. Look at these nouns. I have the word bike, leg, spot, and wheel. Those are nouns, and they're just one. So it's just bike, bike. But sometimes I want to talk about more than one when I'm talking about a noun. So sometimes I have to add an S so it makes it plural. Plural means it's more than one. So if I have bike and I put an S at the very end of it, it becomes bikes. One bike, more than one bike. This says leg, but if I put that S on there, now it says legs. And I have more than one leg, I have legs. Same thing with spot. If I put that S on there, what does it become? Spots, spots. So it's not just one spot, it's many spots, maybe 2, 3, or 4. And that's what happens to my shirt after I eat. I get spots on it. Okay, here we go. I have the word wheel. Wheel. That's just one. But if I want to do more than one wheel, then I have to add an S. Now it says wheels. Isn't that nice? That's how you make a plural noun. you add an S. And tomorrow we're going to learn another way to make nouns plural. So you have to make sure you come back tomorrow. Yeah? Okay, let's end the day talking about a book. Here we go. Let me get my book out. The title of this book is Kim and Nan. And I want you to pay special attention to the words and find those letter K's. Are you ready? Here we go. Kim and Nan. Oh, there's a K right there. And what is the phoneme for K? K, K is for K. Let's keep going. Kim had a lot to pack. She was a kid on the go. Hey, look, she. We are doing that word. So if you see that word, you know S-H-E spells what? She, right. Oh, yes. She was a kid on the go. Oh, there's a lowercase k right there. Let's keep reading this story. Oh, very interesting. Nan sat on a big rock. Kim sat on a little rock. Kim was hot, hot, hot. Kim had to sip a bit. Well, I wish it was hot here at the ranch because it's really cold and I'd like it to be a little bit warmer. But let's look, look at all these uppercase K's. They're uppercase because it's a name and it's also at the beginning of a sentence. Oh, let's keep going. Let's keep going, another page. Kim had a red sack. Kim fed a lot. Nan and Kim sat and sat. It was not a bit hot. Why wasn't it hot? Right, because it's windy. It's windy. Sometimes when it's windy, it can get really, really cold. One more page. Kim ran back. Nan ran back. Kim has a red pack. Kim is a kid on the go. Do you see all those K's? Look at those K's. Look at those K's. Look at those K's. And do you notice that there's weather there? They talked about hot weather. They talked about windy weather. Oh, and look at me. I'm talking about cold weather. It's been cold here at the ranch. We've learned so much this week. We've learned about nouns and some sight words. We've been reading and doing the letter K. It's so exciting around here. I want you to come back tomorrow so we can learn even more. You've been doing so great, and the letters that you've been giving me have shown me that you've been learning a lot. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning to a brand new day. Time to learn and games to play. Learning things is so much fun. Learning is good for everyone.